Okay, today we are drawing a very basic picture of a woman with a smile. So we're going to start off almost doing like an egg shape here. And we will put about halfway here in the face. We can draw some lines. And this just basically tells me where the nose, eyes, and mouth are going to go. So right around here in the middle, we're just going to do like a little half summer circle here. We're going to do just a very nice little smile. Little lower lip here. Couple little eyes. There we go for the eyebrows. Very basic. We're going to do a little line off of the eyes like that. Now we're going to fill in his face a little bit. We're going to shorten this. And now we're going to do just a thin neck. There we go. Now we're going to draw some hair. We're just going to do a basic shape of a hair going around the head here. There we go. So we'll just kind of fill this in a little better. There we go. Same thing over here. So there we've got the basic roughed in image of her face. Now it's time to get the marker out. So what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of start framing it out with the hair. There we go. Just using these basic shapes that you created just to follow along. Go down and continue to the neck. At the top here, we'll just draw a couple of, do some lines there to detail. There we go. Same thing here. And we can go into the hair and just draw some lines around in here just to kind of give the hair a little more definition. There we go. Now on the face, we're just going to do very easy eyebrows like that. With the eyes, all we're going to do is do a circle. With just a little hint of eyelash coming off of that. Just a little bit. There you go. The nose, we're just going to do, there we go. And the mouth, I think what we're going to do now that we've got it at this point, we're going to open the mouth up. Do the dark bottom part here a little dark so you can define teeth. Do the lower lip closer. One smile line. Then we're going to come and just follow along the outline of this face. Going to finish the neck here. Going to do a little shadow under the chin. And that's it. There you have it. There's a picture of a smiling woman. All you have to do is erase, like I always say, and you are done. So we will see you on the next one.